If you're a veteran, an active duty service member, or even a surviving spouse with VA eligibility, I want you to hear this clearly. You are sitting on one of the most powerful home financing tools in the entire mortgage world. And the best part? Most people who qualify don't even realize just how life-changing it can be. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly why using your VA eligibility to buy a home is one of the smartest financial decisions you can make, and how the process works from beginning to end. By the end of this video, you're going to feel confident, empowered, and ready to take the next step toward home ownership with zero down payment required. Let's begin with the foundation of the VA loan, 100% financing. This means exactly what it sounds like. You can purchase a home with no money down, not 3%, not 5%, not even 1%, zero. And in today's market, where saving for a down payment is the #1 barrier keeping people from buying, your VA benefit completely eliminates that obstacle. But that's just the starting point. Because not only do VA loans allow for zero down, they also come with sharp, highly competitive interest rates. In many cases, VA interest rates beat conventional loans by a noticeable margin. Why? Because the VA guarantees a portion of the loan, lowering the risk to lenders, and when risk goes down, pricing improves. That translates directly into lower monthly payments for you and massive savings over the life of your mortgage. Now let's talk about one of the most misunderstood parts of the VA loan, underwriting flexibility. A lot of people assume VA loans are more strict or harder to get approved for, but the truth is actually the opposite. VA guidelines were designed to help veterans succeed, not be denied. Underwriters are encouraged to look at your full financial picture, consider compensating factors, and approve whenever possible. Things like a higher debt-to-income ratio, a shorter job history, or a lower credit score don't automatically disqualify you the way they might on a conventional loan. The VA genuinely wants to say yes. They built this program to support you, to give you a fair shot, to help you get into a home, stay in that home, and build long-term wealth through ownership. So how does it all work? Let's walk through the process step by step so you know exactly what to expect. Step 1. Verify your VA eligibility. This starts with your certificate of eligibility, your COE. It's quick, simple, and your lender can usually pull it for you in minutes. This document confirms your service history and tells us whether you're eligible and whether you owe a funding fee or may be exempt. Step 2. Get pre-approved. This is where we review your income, credit, and assets, not to find reasons to deny you, but to structure your loan in the best possible way. The pre-approval gives you the confidence to shop for a home and shows sellers you're a serious buyer with a powerful loan behind you. Step 3, start home shopping. Because you're using a VA loan, you can look at single-family homes, condos that are VA approved, and even certain multi-unit properties if you plan to live in one of the units. Remember, VA is about primary residence, but that still gives you a lot of flexibility. Step 4, make an offer. This is where your no down payment advantage really shines. Instead of competing with buyers who need to worry about cash, you get to focus on the home you want, not the money you need up front. Once your offer is accepted, we move into the next phase. Step 5, appraisal and underwriting. The VA appraisal confirms the home's value and makes sure it meets basic safety and livability standards. Meanwhile, underwriting reviews your file and looks for ways to approve you, not reasons to say no. If anything needs to be updated or clarified, we handle that together. Step 6, closing. Once everything is verified and approved, you sign your documents, receive your keys, and officially become a homeowner. No down payment, no private mortgage insurance, no hidden penalties, just a powerful benefit that you earned. And that's the real message I want you to take away today. You earned this. your service, your sacrifice, your commitment. This program exists because of that. And using your VA eligibility isn't taking advantage of something. It's claiming what belongs to you. So if you've ever wondered whether now is the right time to buy, if you've felt discouraged by down payments or worried about qualifying, or if you simply didn't realize how strong the VA loan truly is, let this be your sign. Your VA benefit is one of the strongest financing tools in America. It removes barriers, it opens doors, and it gives you the opportunity to build a future through real estate, starting today. If you're ready to explore your options, learn what you qualify for, and take the first step toward homeownership, reach out. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. You served us. Now let your VA benefit serve you.